These are Red Wing shoes, 8111 IronRangers. This is a very popular style. We get a lot of these. And these are pretty well worn. Insoles are peeling up. Counters are still solid. And we're gonna go over the resoling process. Every style of shoe has its own kind of last, different styles, different shapes. These ones get an 8 last. Your sole can be worn down to almost nothing, while your upper can still be in wearable condition. Knowing that we can resole it and that boot is already shaped to your foot, that boot's gonna last you that much longer. Instead of just throwing it away, we can get a whole nother life out of your boots. I like shoemaking. It's hands-on. It's all attention to detail. If I'm gonna repair a pair of boots, I wanna look at them like they're mine. And I want the owner of the boots to be just as proud as their boots as I am. That's what gives me pride in the job. These old beat up shoes look pretty good. Now that the boots are resoled, do some finishing work, clean them up, trim any extra, see if they want any other technical repairs. I always edge ink the boot, so uniform the color, also seals the sole. After we inspect the boots, we give them a light oil before we ship them back to you. Moisturizes the leather and makes them last longer and look better. Here's your finished IronRangers, resoled and oiled, ready to send back to you.